Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my spring seasonal cause box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my spring cause box just arrived, and this is actually going to be my last cause box unboxing on my channel for now, or indefinite. I'm not quite sure. I did purchase a 1-year subscription when I did sign up with this last summer. And so this is my 4th consecutive box, seasonal box. And so this is my last one. So I did go back into my account and made sure that I did cancel it. So they're not going to charge me again. So as of right now, this is the last time you're going to see cause box unless something changes, but I highly doubt it. Only because this box is $49.95 per season. So it is on the pricier side, but it is seasonal. But most of the items in there, personally for me, they're just not something that I normally use. So most of all the boxes so far, more than half of the box contents are products that I haven't even used or touched afterwards. So it's not worth me spending $50 per box. So there's that. So let's go ahead and get in and see what's in my last box. I do like the box though. I do like the box with all the flowers. Very, very spring. I do like that. So that being said, let's see what's in here. Now, I was able to choose certain colors to items, and I think one variation I was able to choose between 2 different products. So let's see what we got going on. Oh, and the inside is all florally too, but more greenage. So very pretty packaging for this season. I give them that. So when you open it up, you have this card right on top, and it says, when you share your story with someone, it becomes part of their story too. And then here is the pamphlet that goes over useful information and products that are going to be in the box. And then this is what it looks like. There is a little greenery there for the sticker. And that's what you see when you remove the tissue paper. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So right on top is this postcard. This one is very pretty. Every box I've had a postcard so far, but this one is nice and florally, and it does have the little part where you can write a postcard and mail it. That's something that's becoming a lost art, is actually handwriting and sending somebody a letter through the mail. So every now and then I like to drop a little letter to my mom in California just to kind of let her know, hey, I'm thinking of you, because I do all the time. But I do like to send letters here and there. So if you do get this box, that's good to like jot down, send somebody that you're thinking of a little postcard to let them know. So let's go ahead and go through this item right here. Now, this is a purse. This would have came in 3 different colors. So I was able to choose the color. This would have came in honey, black, or gray. And here are the different color variations right there between the honey being like that brown color, the gray, and the black. Now, this is a $75 value. It says a timeless everyday crossbody with a detachable strap, can be styled up or down, made to last, out of premium vegan leather. So let me go ahead and remove the packaging. So now out of the packaging, it says Pixie Mood right on the top. Looks like it says Pixie Mood. And then it's a nice size. So when you open it up, it does have a magnetic closure. And here is that in there. And then when you open it all the way, what is that? Some trash. Okay. On the zipper, it does have the name of the company, and it says Pixie Mood. And then here, let me open this because there's like a paper that's in here too. So there's the tag. And when you open it up, here's some tissue. It looks like there's water bottles printed on the inside. See that? Looks like they're like little water bottles or something. But you do have a zipper pouch right here. And then on this side, there is one big little pouch that you can put stuff in. And then there's this foldable one, is not foldable. There's this little pocket as well. And it says take 15% off your next purchase at pixiemood.com using COSBOX15. So if anybody's interested in this company, you can utilize that. And then here are the straps, and the straps that you just attach to both sides. So that is really neat. And I do like this colored gray. So I'm really glad that I chose this gray color. I normally would choose like a black, but I thought of doing something different and just grabbing a gray because I don't have anything with gray until now. So I think that's very cute. Do I think it's worth $75? I don't know. It's vegan leather. It feels like it's a good quality, but I mean, I wouldn't probably pay $75 for this purse if you were to ask. So there's item number 2 because the postcard's number 1. Then we have, it says Calm Mood Mist. And this guy here, $30. So it looks like that. It's like a white milky colored consistency. And it says, in the spirit of all good things. That's all it says really on there. And it says, is a gentle, natural way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy. Mist when you need a moment of relaxation, before meditation, on your pillow for a good night's sleep. And it's a misted, scented. At least it wasn't a straight shot. It just definitely smells like essential oils. I'm smelling like a citrusy essential oil. There's probably lavender in there as well. I'm pretty sure there is. Ingredients: water, witch hazel, lavender, bergamot, frankincense. Oh, it's citrus. Yes. So that is what is in there, and that's valued at $30. So then this product I chose. This is a Super Eye Duo by Dime Beauty, valued at $46. They had this or a layered gem necklace that was gold. And if you follow me, you know I don't like gold. So that is what the necklace would look like. And I chose this right here, which should be a eyelash boost serum and a volume mascara. And again, this is valued at $46. So here's 2 different products that are inside. And this is a volumizing mascara. And there's the wand. And then this is an eyelash boost serum. And it's like that. So over this versus the necklace, I chose this. I don't know if I'll use it, but I would definitely use this before the necklace. So I chose that, and the necklace would have been $36. Now, this item, everybody would have got the mist, this and one other item. Everybody would have chose. There's no options or anything. And this is a sustainable grocery starter kit. And this is supposed to be like grocery bags. So this is valued at $22, and it says this set of 5 mesh bags for sustainable grocery shopping, made by a team of artisans in India, ready to replace single-use plastic produce and grain bags. And I don't use these bags, but I'm sure somebody would. So you have, let me see. They're all different sizes. So here's a smaller one. These 2 look like, oh no, one's bigger than the other one by a hair. And then here's like more of like canvas bags. And then here's a bigger, larger bag with holes. So it's a 5-piece set. So there's that product again, right there with the 5-piece bags. Then the next item that everybody would have received is this right here. And it says Agua Aura. It's an eye cream. And this is valued at $34, a smooth and firming all-natural iridescent eye cream. A combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, and plant oils help replenish and restore the skin around the eyes. Oh, that is definitely a different color. So there's the package, and then that's what it looks like. see. There's no, ew. Ew. There's no, ew. There's no safety seal or anything, but I don't want it to fall out. That just doesn't look very pleasant. I don't know why there's like a dark green. I don't know. It's like something is like breaking away the color variation from the other product. Ooh, other product. Yeah, and that almost spilled. Knowing me, I would have spilled it, but I actually saved it this time. So I don't know why there's that darker green color on top. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be mixed up. I don't know about this situation right here, but there's that. And again, that's valued at $34. Then this item, we could choose between the different color variation. And this one I chose gray because I feel like that would kind of go with my kitchen. And this, again, you couldn't choose the product, but you can choose the color. And these are stackable bento boxes in sunflower, blush, or cloud, valued at $29. And I picked cloud, the gray color instead of the pink or the orange. So let's see what this looks like. So it's these little boxes. And how cute. You literally have like reusable plastic silverware. Hold on, they're kind of wonky. They've moved. I don't know how these are supposed to stay in here unless you go back to back. Let's see.
No, how in the hell do you stay in here? Hold on, you guys. Maybe put the knife in the middle? Negative.
I have no clue. This is a very awkward design because they're supposed to go inside these little, right here. But this won't fit flat because the knife is in the way. This won't fit flat because the other thing's in the way. So I don't know how this is supposed to stay. Hopefully, if you only need 2 for the day, then it'll be fine. But adding in the third piece, it's not gonna happen. It's just not, it's not gonna happen. This is, yeah, you're gonna be layering things and it's just, it's barely gonna stay. I have no clue how, but they're on top of each. This is just, no, I'm not dealing with that. And then on the inside, and, okay.
So can you put it like this and then this? No, because it doesn't, this, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so complicated. I would never use this. This is way too complicated. I can't even, okay.
So I guess you can stack it. This is so confusing. I'm not gonna use this. This is just way too confusing and way too much work because these don't even stay. So you know what? There you go. $29 for this shit that I'm not using. Can't figure it out. Then we have a planner. This is another thing that we could choose between a daily self planner or a wild and free bandana. And I don't need a bandana, so I chose a wellness planner. It's already kind of messed up because it looks like it got jacked up in transit, but it says goals, gratitude, mood, sleep, meals, and fitness. So you can just log anything in here. I'm not a logger. I'm not a logger, so I won't use this, but I'll put this in a future giveaway. And this is valued at $30 for this little planner. That's another thing. It seems like all of CosBox's pricing are overly inflated on almost every single product. And I've noticed that on now my last 4 boxes in a row. So I'm so glad that this is my last box, you guys. So here's a $30 planner, which I think that's definitely overpriced. Yes, I just wasted $50, but I can show you and either show you what you want to spend $50 on or show you what to save $50 on. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this box. Again, this is my own opinion. I always bring you my real opinion and my own thoughts no matter what it is and how I get it. But yeah, so comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And I'm a little frustrated as well because I thought, okay, with all this stuff going on, we got off a little early today. I'm gonna go get my nails done to last me for another, you know, few weeks and get something different because I really wasn't liking that dark green and the guy wasn't working. I got this girl and I always told myself, because I heard bad problems in the background. The last time I even was there, she had to repaint somebody's nails like 4 times. And I told myself, if I ever get her, I'm not going to. I'll wait or I'll come back, whatever. Well, my guy wasn't there. And so I went ahead and just settled, and I wish I didn't. But now they're all teal. It took her an hour to get this little bit of a cat eye achieved, which is just this one little tiny line. My nails are so not even straight. I even told her, I'm like, these are bumpy. This is bumpy. Oh no, that's just the black. No, that is not the black. My nail is straight bumpy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Some of my nails are crooked and I'm like, why is it going way off like this? Oh no, it's your nails crooked. No, I can see straight. I know a straight line. That is not straight. Like, there was so many wrong things. She left this one side all jacked up and I'm like, you're really gonna leave it like that? She says, yeah, it's smooth. You can't do anything. And it looked like crap. Like, the whole side was just messed up. And I'm like, you're really gonna allow me to leave looking like that? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, no. She fixed it. But I'm not happy with these at all. I'm not happy at all with what she did, but there's that. I mean, they kind of have the little line in some of them are darker than others. It's a mess. So I'm having a wonderful evening so far. Hopefully you guys are having a better night or hopefully you have a better day, depending on when you end up watching this tomorrow morning. So that is everything that I have for you guys again. And yeah, until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. And I will see you on the next one. Crafty Crew. Hi, you guys. And thank you so much. Hi, you guys. What the hell? Holy moly.